Oh, guess who's back, baby? Oh, get ready. Here, this is fucking mint. Just as the rain started to come down as well, that is so lucky. Check this out. It's worked. All the work that I've done. Hallelujah. So right, we've got the bike back and it has had the new master cylinder put on. Quite a bit of brake fluid here, which I'm not happy about. But I'll clean that up. It feels already, I'll have to ride it. I think it feels a lot nicer, the pressure release now, which is cool. I'm gonna have to move these mirrors up whilst I get them in and out of here. So there we go, that's all sorted. Now let's see if we get error message. What do we? Let me have a look. Oh, they've put some petrol in it for me, that's nice of them. Interesting to note that in the road mode, it's got the traction control set up for rain, which is very strange. So there we go, folks. I've got her back, finally. It's been a few weeks, 2 or 3 weeks I think now. And I've got it in here, which is I'm very happy about because I put this up a few weeks ago. I've not been able to test it, so this is great. And I've got some room for some shelves over here as well, so that's cool. Cracking. No more rain covers for you. Oh, I'm so glad that I got this. So there you go, folks. I hope you like that. I'm really happy, actually. I've been on a bit of a project for the past few weeks. And, you know, I've had a bit of a project going on the past few weeks of putting this garage / shed up. Buying it, of course, getting it in, sorting it all out. I've got some storage in the back for all my bike stuff now, which means I've got more room in my house. I don't have to fuck around anymore, putting covers on my bikes. It feels really good, and knowing that I've built it myself and I didn't have to pay some fucker to do it, you know, and I've done a good job of it as well. It's probably the, you know, one of the best things that I've done, that shed, you know, in terms of building. Everything's up properly, everything's leveled. It took me, the longest part of that shed build was leveling the base because the back garden here is not level at all. It's bloody awful, to be honest. But I'm really happy with that. I've gone over and treated everything. You know, I've spent all my money on this garage, and I didn't actually know if it would fit because the bike was away. I measured everything up beforehand, and thankfully it's managed to fit. So my insurance is cut in half, which is unreal. Thank God for that. My insurance is cut in half because it's technically classed as a garage. I've got some nice security in there, and I'm just very happy that it fits. So there we go. Everything's worked out to plan, folks. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've somewhat enjoyed it. I don't know why I'm making this video, but I thought it'd be cool. Just to let you know that the Tiger Sheds Pent does fit a speed triple inside of it. You might crack the bottom bit going in, but it's one of those things. And thankfully now it's going to be protected from the elements. No more having to put a cover on my bike. I've never had a garage before, so this is fucking amazing. No more corrosion. Well, I say no more corrosion. Not as much corrosion anymore, you know, all that kind of stuff. So I'm a happy bunny. Thank you again, and I'll just see you very, very soon, I'm sure. Until the next time, sod 'em out, folks. Epi time.